So I'm going to set up the given column here. This is continuing the density notes. We're doing the problems underneath. So this is mass and this. So here goes your given and find setup, and see if you can solve the answer. All you got is that formula right there. So you're finding volume for this. Let's see. I'm hoping we don't have to change this one, and it's just the answer calculator. Where's clear? There. 50.0 divide 0.950. All right, I already see we gotta fix this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They got 3 sig figs. Oh no, we don't. There's no scientific notation. All right. So looking at your paper, or just a couple of people, how many students got 52.6? 52.6. All right. How many people got 52.6 but didn't do it to the correct sig figs? Like you got 52 point whatever you did. Okay. All right. So this is how you tell how many sig figs. Look at your given. Both of these have 3 sig figs. So your answer can only have 3 sig figs. So in chemistry, we're not really going to do the adding and subtraction where you focus on the decimal places because we're always using multiplication or division, which trumps it. Yeah. 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 You can always take a picture of these. Always take a picture. All right. So yes. Oh, okay. So before I jump the gun, before we even put numbers in, what I did is took this problem equation and rearranged it so it says V equals. So let me do that on the board. We need to solve for volume. So I always rearrange it so it's V equals if that's what I'm trying to find. So you need to cross multiply. this way and this way. See how this way has density and volume? So I just put those together. You multiply them together. This way, you have mass. So that's the opposite end. Do you guys understand how I got to here? Now, we need to get V by itself. So I take the D, you divide both sides by D. So all I do is I take the D and I put it right there. So now all I have to do is plug in the numbers. Some people plug in the numbers up here and then rearrange it. I just like to rearrange it ahead of time and then plug in the numbers. But this is the starting step. Whatever's this way, multiplied together. And then whatever's this way goes on the opposite side of the equal sign. All right, let's do the next one. So I'm going to write the given and find down. Try to if you need to, try to rearrange the equation ahead of time. So our given, we have volume. And we have mass. Oh, so we don't have to actually rearrange anything because we have volume and mass. All right. So the first thing to do is on your paper, calculate the density. We don't got to rearrange this because it's volume and mass. So plug the volume and mass in here and figure out the density with the numbers. So volume is this, mass is this. Always put the top number in your calculator first. So my calculator, I got this. But how many sig figs should our answer have? If you look at the two numbers here, 3. Yep, they both are 3. So these 3 would count. So I'm going to underline it. So we have 0.802. If one of these were 2 sig figs, then our answer would have to be 2. But both of them are 3. What would the unit be for our answer? Yep, grams divided by their centimeters cubed. So always look at your given and figure out which one has the least number of sig figs, okay? All right, so these are the notes for the density problems. I'm going to end the video.